Hey, what's up, guys? Just want to do a video while I'm cooking my food. So, Equifax is back in the news. They've been forced to settle and pay out money for that data breach that they had years ago, back in 2017, and they want to pay everybody a whopping $125 a piece. Wow. Not to mention that your credit is at risk now. And if you have good credit, or decent credit, it's at jeopardy of being put to risk or damaged. So unless you have some type of identity protection, credit monitoring, you're in trouble. Credit repair, what are you going to do? Sometimes even your kids' identity, your minor kids, their identity can be stolen. And unless you have safeguards already set up, and I'm not talking about freezing your account. That's one option. And that may not be the practical option. Cooking eggs, y'all. If you are somebody like me who have decent credit and want to maintain decent credit, well, what can you do? There are ways and systems already established in place that can have you protected and is automated. So that when, not if, when someone tries to use your ATM card, credit card, you can get notification, you can shut things down, you can get protection, you can get the restoration that you need. Because let's face it, we live in a crazy cyber world where people love to take advantage and all we can do is use technology to combat it. So if you're someone who doesn't have any credit, then I guess you're safe, relatively, until someone gets a hold of your social security number. And then how do you protect that? So, instead of rolling the dice, I would put some certain security measures in place. It's like having a home alarm system. You ain't expecting, you hoping nobody breaking your house, but if they do, you want the alarm to go off. You want to be notified so you can call the authorities, right? Same thing with credit monitoring, credit protection. You need to plan for the possibility that someone might perhaps try to do something to you. You got a car alarm. You got a house alarm. Why not have a credit alarm? Right? So, I got some more information for you. Click the link in the description or the banner. I'm not sure which one it is. And learn more. Just learn more about how you can automate your monitoring, your credit monitoring. How you can set an alarm for anything that happens with regard to your credit. If someone comes through your back door and your alarm is set, you get an alert. You're not there watching it 24 hours a day. But if someone pops it, it can come up on your cell phone, or maybe there's a loud audible alarm. Same thing with your credit. Someone does something to your credit and it's not authorized. You want the alarm to come up. You want to get a text. You want to get an email. You want the bells to go off so you can make and take steps to stop the culprit, right? So just learn more. Click the link and find out what other services are provided, right? Okay? Later.